How to create account in Coinswitch. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So simply first download Coinswitch from your Google Play Store or your App Store. After that, simply select Coinswitch, and over here what it actually is going to say, let me restart this, is it will automatically prompt you to enter your phone number over here so you can send an SMS with a verification code. After you get through this, you will then be able to create a PIN. You should be able to create a 4-digit PIN for your security. And after that, you can now easily access its features. As you can see, the app itself. Now, it's very simple. And then after that, over here at the top, you will be able to see an option mentioning open free account. So simply select open free account over here, and you will be redirected to another page. They will redirect you to your KYC partner over here. So give it a second to load. And over here, it will send you another OTP for your Coinswitch. And after that, you're then going to do some verification. You're going to upload some information such as issued ID or issued documents. As you can see here, you could choose any of the option. Enter your different information such as profile information, consent validity, purpose, and so on and so forth. And then you're going to simply have or upload a screenshot. After that, you will then enter additional information such as your occupation, your annual income, and politically exposed, stuff like that. And after that, simply click on continue, and then you're going to then connect your bank account details, and after that, you should be able to easily create your account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.